In today's video, we're going to be talking about Facebook ad. Are you a business owner or an entrepreneur that you're thinking of running an ad and you've been struggling with your Facebook ad, how to check your competitors and how to make sure you're doing the right thing with your Facebook ad? In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you or showing us how we can use Facebook Library AI to spy on your competitors. As a business owner, you can spy on your competitors if you want to run ad for inspiration, for ideas, not copy and paste products like that, but you just need to follow the steps I'm going to give to us in this video so that you can get started. My name is Tech with Bumi and I'm your online coach. Without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today. As a business owner, as I said in this video earlier on, if you want to create an ad on Facebook, you will need some step-by-step guide on how to create your video if you want to do video content, on how to create your Facebook post like design, graphic design, and your write-ups. Every business owner has a competitor on Facebook or on the online platform. For example, I'm a digital marketing consultant, and if I want to run an ad, I go on Facebook, I go to Facebook Library, and I'm going to show us in this video. So stay tuned to the end. I'll go to Facebook Library and I'm going to search some similar stuff, similar complaints like mine. Like if I want to do a website ad or as a social media manager, I can go to Facebook Library and I check my competitors and I would use similar ad. Like I would check if they're active and I will check if I can use the ad. I'm going to be showing us shortly. Okay. So before I show us, I'm going to put a link that you can use to get some percentage off and you get some free trials, okay, to get started with Facebook Library AI. Okay, so now let's dive to my system. Let me show you the step-by-step on how to sign up. So right now, use your laptop or your phone to go to the first link on my description and follow the step as I continue this video. Thank you. This is the platform. It's called the Adslibrary.AI. But if you use my link, you're going to get some bonuses. Okay. So I would advise us to go with my link if you want to get the best of this product of this app. So you go to this is the platform, and I'm going to be showing us the step by step on how to use it. First and foremost, you're going to install your Chrome extension. I already installed my Chrome extension, and you can start with a free trials. And as you can see, the good thing about this website or the good thing about this platform is that you can save your ad or download it or share it for later. If you go through the ad library directly, you can't do that. But this, you can save it, you can download it and share, you can go back to it and get more inspirations. If you are a UGC creator, I'm also a UGC creator, okay? You can also check it, look for brands on this platform, AI look for brands, and you can easily connect them on their social media and other social media and like Instagram, TikTok to get their email to pitch your UGC to pitch yourself to the brand. Okay, so now I already installed my Chrome. So first thing you install your Chrome and so you sign up here. Okay, so I already signed up, so it's going to if I click on it, it's going to take me to my account. So I'm going to click on login. As you can see, this is my platform and account and subscription, payment and invoice, team, affiliation, then English, you can turn to dark mode. And this is the pricing plan. This is $39 per month, right? And for 3 users, it's $99 per month. But the good thing is that you get a percentage a discount percentage for if you sign up using my link. This price will be reduced. Okay, and this Facebook library AI is a very unique library. So for your first timer, you can check for tutorials, you can watch tutorials, how to use Ads Library. I'm using, yeah, this is the library, discovery. Okay, so you discover some brands here, as you can see. This status is active. You can save easily if it's something you want, like this person is active. Black Friday. If it's my niche and I like this, I will click on it and I will see inspirations. Like let's see this. This is some advertising issue, as you can see, inspiration from this. If I'm a shoe seller, and for me to be able to do that, I would save this, save it, and go back to it and get inspiration for the sneakers. So if you scroll to your left, you're going to see something like this. We have our Facebook ad, library Facebook, TikTok ad library, TikTok creative ad, TikTok as organic, Instagram organic. You can as well you can as well spy on your competitors on your Instagram account, TikTok account, and Facebook account using this platform, right? And this is another one. This person is doing ad on Duracell, right? So if we click on this ad, I think this is not active, as you can see. Select group. See this for the dog, advertising this brush for. Can you see? This is so interesting. Can you see? And if I love this, introducing the perfect grooming solution for your beloved pet. If I love this, I can save this. And if I want to create something like this, I'll get the inspiration and I will do a similar but not copycats, right? Okay, other people's ad work, or you get inspiration for your own ad. Okay, so that you can as well you can as well rank or yeah, you can as well rank or go viral if you follow other people's get inspiration from other people's content, right? So there are a lot of it. This is a hands-free cleaning and top building. This is also good for UGC creators. You know, you can get brands from here. And as I said, I'm a I'm a digital marketing consultant and I want to spy on some of my competitors, right? So I come here, spy on my competitors, right? So I come here and you can search the company by ad or by brands. If you know the name of your brand, you can click the brand here, right? That you want to search for. You can search for your competitor with the brand name. Well, I'm going to be using the ad right now. I'm going to search for a brand and it's this left and you click on anywhere you want to spy on your competitors. Like if it's Facebook, Facebook ad, Facebook, TikTok ads, TikTok organic, Instagram, right? But we're going to be using this Facebook ad library. So you come to this place, you change it to all ad and you search for your advertiser. So I'm going to be looking at this brand. It's called Moment, Momentum, Momentum Media. So as you can see, these are all the ads they've done, and I can easily spy on any of them. They're into social media posts. It's similar to what I do. And they did a sponsored ad with another language. I don't know if it is Hindi, but this is, and they're very active on Facebook, right? So if I like this inspiration, for example, this one, for example, you can view the ad if you want to. It took me to their Facebook page. Okay, I can go to their Facebook page. If I see anything I like, I save it into my ad library. Okay, so I love this ad. I love this one. And the write-up, I so much love this one and I love this one too. The prices are from $59 per month. So I click on this. Anyways, let's use this as our example. So I just want, we'll use this as our example. I like it and I'll go back to it. So if this is their video, they did a video, like if you want to spy on their videos, you can also check. And this is their social media adverts. If you love this poster, you can get inspiration from it. And I'm going to save it, right? If I scroll down, you'll see because you already put your Chrome. If you want to search them on Facebook and then you can find them anywhere. This is a recent ad. It's done August 13th. Okay. So I'm going to save this to my, yeah, it's already saved. Then there's another one. It's called Engage Media Agency. You can get more inspiration from as much as possible, as many brands as you want. So if I love this, they're into creative director, videographer, and photographer, editor, script writing, and live shopping, right? And I would save that also. So you can visit our Instagram. Okay. I'm going to save this also if I love it. We have the options to save, and it's showing us more of momentum media post. So if you love any of this, and it's giving us some other options, so you can save as many as possible to get inspiration for your art. As you can see, can you see? So now that's all about this. So I would encourage us to use Facebook or Facebook Ad Library AI to spy on our competitors. Thank you for watching this video up to this moment. If you watched this video to this time, I want to appreciate you all. So do you enjoy this video? In recap, I spoke about how to set up Facebook Library AI to spy on your competitors. This is very important because you will get inspiration for your brand as a whole. So every brand or every business has a competitor out there. All you need to do is search for it using Facebook Ads Library AI and you will get the best with it. Do not forget to use my link to get your discount post or discounted price to sign up with it. And I remain Tech with Bumi and see you in my next video. Drop your questions and I'll be there in the comment section to answer you. And do not forget to check my descriptions to patronize me or set up a one-on-one section with me, and you will also find some other links that will be useful to you. See ya and stay blessed. Bye for now.